Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own shirts on the Roblox game. So make sure to watch the video to the end so you can learn how to create your own shirts and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is just to start creating your own design on the Roblox. The easiest tool or the easiest way to create your own design is by going to the customuse.com. By clicking or accessing this website, you will need just to go here and make sure to sign up and log in to this website so you can be able to create your own shirts. After that, you will need just to go to my design and basically let's first log in into our account here and just click continue. And this is the easiest way to log in is by logging in with your own Google account. So let's just accept the cookies, etc. And now all we need to do, either you can AI generate your own t-shirts or you can create your own ones. So basically, let's just go to my designs and as you can see, we do not have anything to create or we didn't create yet any other designs. So now all we need to do is to start by modifying or remixing a design or a template. So just go to the discover and here at the beginning or the first row, you will find many templates. We want only Roblox blank shirts. So you go to the blank shirts and choose any design or any template that you want to remix. After that, you will need just to click on the remix and we will need just to wait for the model to load. And here you can add anything to your design from this icon or whatever. And as you can see like uh, coordinates or the positioning of your t-shirts, and you can have it however you like and upload your own medias, add some accessories, and of course there are some items that are only a- accessible on the premium version. So as you can see, we can have our own uh, coloration or our own drawings. So basically, you can start to draw whatever you like, etc. After that, you will need just to save and publish, or you can save privately. And let's just save our design, and then we will need to have it on our own local computer. And basically, now it will redirect us to our designs or our homepage dashboard. And then here you will need just to download your private custom. Of course, you can start like the free trial, and after that, it will be downloaded as a PNG or JPG. After that, you will need to go to the create.roblox.com, and here you will find the Creator Hub or the Roblox Studio. Then you will need just to go to Creation. After that, you go to Avatar Items. Here you go to Classic Shirts, and you need just to upload the assets, and then here you upload the image of your design, and of course it will be something similar to such an image. It will be a like that. It will be a 2D Canva. So basically you need just to upload that image here. You give it a name, description, and you upload here, and you will be able to have your own shirts on Roblox. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.